Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show how to make two types of backdrop decoration. I have purchased this stand from Amazon. For that I have fixed a backdrop cloth and then I'm using this toran which I have shown you in the previous video. I'm fixing the toran with the help of safety pin. And the side hangings. These handmade flowers I am fixing with the help of Tixo tape. You can either pin it or fix it with the help of Tixo tape. These are the flowers I have made using the cloth bag material I have shown in the previous video. I have fixed all. Now we will prepare the pita. This pita I have prepared by using two blouse pieces and I have attached golden lace and I am keeping the Ganesha on it and the two flowers I have kept. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. VS Creations. Thank you everyone. The next one I am making using these marigold flowers artificial. I am going to arrange them in the semicircle shape like this. With the help of pin I am going to attach the I have taken yellow and pink color. I am fixing them to the backdrop cloth with the help of the pin, safety pin. These flowers I bought it from Flipkart. Now I am going to fix this with the help of the safety pin. The down part I have sticked golden tape to make it attractive. Now it is done. So let's do the pita. I have taken this wooden color pita and the dupatta pink color. the lotus which I had made using Chimki in my previous video, and this is the Lakshmi idol I have purchased. Now I am arranging the marigold like this. I have attached the golden tape like that. You can fix the upper part also using safety pin, but here I have just kept them. I am fixing them securely with the help of safety pin. Thank you for watching.